Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. How are you? I hope you will be good and fine. Now, today is our first English class. Before starting the class, make happy faces like this. Hurry up, hurry up. I want to see smiling face, happy face during the lesson. No, okay. Tell me, do you want to listen a song? Yes. Have you listened? Did you enjoy? Okay. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section. I want to tell you something that these all are English alphabets. What? English alphabets. They are 26 in counting. How many? 26 in counting. We also call them letters. 26 letters. English alphabets has 26 letters. Okay. How many letters? 26 letters. Now we will learn first letter today. Please welcome first letter. This is first letter. Its name is A. What's its name? A. Capital A, and this is small a. Its phonic is A. What's A? Its phonic is A. I have lots of friends of A. Do you want to see them? Okay, my dear friends, what is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. Green, red, yellow, red apples. Apples begins with phonic A. Apple, apple. Okay, next friend is, what is this? Aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. Aeroplane begins with phonic A. Aeroplane, aeroplane. Okay. What is this? This is an ant. What? An ant. Ant begins with phonic A. Ant, ant. Okay. Now look, next friend. What is it? Do you know it? Don't know? Okay, don't worry. I will tell you. This is an X. What's X? We cut the words with X like this. We cut the word with X. This is X. X begins with phonic A. X. 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 Okay. Next friend is, look at this. Have you ever seen it? This is an arrow. What? An arrow. Arrow begins with phonic A. Arrow. Arrow. Okay. Next friend is, look at this. What is it? It is an alligator. It has a long tail, sharp teeth. It is an alligator. Alligator lives in deep water. Okay. Alligator begins with phonic A. Alligator. Alligator. Next friend, look at this. What is it? It is an arm. It is an arm. Arm begins with phonic a. A. Please touch your arm. Yes, this is your arm. Arm begins with phonic a. Arm. Arm. Next friend, what is it? It is a leg. This is leg. This is foot. And this part is called ankle. This part is called ankle. Ankle begins with phonic a. Ankle. Ankle. Okay, look at this picture. Who is he? There are some buildings behind him, and he makes the map and the design of the buildings. He is called an architect. What? An architect. Say after me, an architect. Architect begins with phonic a. Architect. Architect. Okay. Look at this picture. He is a boy and he is painting something. He is an artist. He is an artist. Artist begins with phonic a. Artist. Artist. Look at this. Which yummy fruit is this? This is apricot. Apricot. Apricot begins with phonic a. Apricot. Apricot. Okay. Next friend, what is it? It's a dry fruit. What's its name? Its name is almond. Its name is almond. 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 Do you eat it? Okay, what is this? This is pebbles, water plants and fishes. This is an aquarium. This is an aquarium. Aquariums begin with phonic a. Aquarium. Aquarium. Okay. What is it? This is a clock. And when we set an alarm, the bird comes out and say cuckoo, cuckoo. And the alarm is going on. Alarm begins with phonic a. Alarm. Alarm. Okay. What is this? This is an astronaut. Astronauts. Astronaut goes to the moon, into the space. Okay. Astronauts. 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 What is it? Do you have it at your home? This is album. Album. We put some beautiful photo in this album. Like this is vegetable album. Okay. Album. 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 Okay. I have some things for you. What? This one duck. This one cow. Cat. Lion. Elephant. What are these? These all are called animals. These all are called animals. 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 Okay. I have one more thing for you. What is this? Look, there's a building and some apartments. What are these? Apartments. 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 This is a big picture and lots of apartments are there. Are you looking? Okay. Now I Now have you learned all the friends of A? Phonic A? Okay, lots of clapping for you. And happy face. I'm happy with you that you have learned all the things. Okay, I have one message to you, that you have to find some more examples to look surrounding, okay, and learn it.